Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots on your PC. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so that I get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So to take screenshots on your PC, you are going to look at your keyboard. You are going to look for the print screen button, and the print screen button will be abbreviated as PRT space SC. So once you find the print screen button on your keyboard, you are going to press it. So I just press mine now, and then you are going to go to your search field right here. You are going to search for MS Paint. So you are going to click on open. So you are going to press Ctrl V on your keyboard, or you can go up here and hit on the paste button right here. And then you are going to see your screenshots will appear on your canvas. So all you are going to do right now is to go over to File and then hit on Save As. And then you are going to save this as a PNG, or you can save it as a JPEG, but I'm going to leave it as PNG. And then I'm going to select my desktop as a location, and then I'm going to name it as screenshots. So now you can hit on save. So when you go over to your desktop, you are going to see your saved screenshot right there. So you're going to click on it to open. And then there it is right here. That's how to screenshot on your PC. So another way I'm going to show you is to press the Windows key on your keyboard plus the print screen button. And then you're going to go over to your File Explorer and then hit on Pictures. So on the Pictures folder, you're going to see the Screenshots folder in there. So you're going to hit on it, and then right there you see your screenshots. So going further, I'm going to show you a third way to take screenshots on your PC. So you're going to head over to your search field right here, and then you are going to search for Snipping Tool. You're going to click on Open, and then you are going to hit on this new button right here. Or you can simply open it by using the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Shift plus S. And then you're going to see this little window up here. And as you can see on the windows, we have 4 different buttons right there, which you can use to take screenshots in different ways. So the first one right here, which is labeled the rectangular snip, when you select it, and let's say for instance, I want a screenshot of this beautiful flower right here. All I need to do is to click and drag a rectangle around the flower, and then I'm going to release it. So you're going to see this little window by the side there. All you need to do is to click on it. And then you find the screenshot right here. All you need to do is click on save right here, and then you can select location and rename your file, and that's that. So the next one there is the freeform snip. Freeform snips allows you to take a screenshot by drawing circles or by drawing freely on the part of the screen where you want to take screenshots of. So that's it right there. So the next button right there is the Windows Snip button. So this button allows you to take pictures of open windows. So for instance, I want to take picture of just this File Explorer window right here. So all I need to do is to click on it, and then it's going to take a screenshot of it. So I'm going to come here. So that's how the Windows Snip works. So the last button right here is the full screen snip. So basically it takes pictures of the whole screen on your PC or your desktop. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.